Forgotten username recovery failed on CIBC Investors Edge Fix. If you're locked out of your CIBC Investors Edge account, most people get this wrong by skipping essential verification steps or using outdated emails. The surprising truth is that with the right process, you can regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Go to the CIBC Investors Edge login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. CIBC will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all your email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered automatically. Avoid sending multiple requests in a short period, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, account number, and recent trading activity. Contact CIBC Investors Edge support directly with this information. Providing details like recent trades or linked bank accounts can speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it securely in a password manager and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. Following these steps ensures you regain access to your CIBC Investors Edge account efficiently and securely, keeping your investments and financial planning uninterrupted. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for smooth account access.